How to build a website using Relume's intuitive interface. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up for a new one if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Relume dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize your website. To begin building your site, click on the Build a Site button located on the dashboard. Within the Build a Site section, input your company description, and with a single click on the Generate button, Relume will generate a sitemap for you. After generating the sitemap, you can then proceed to customize it to your liking. Simply move the different sections and pages around until you achieve the desired structure and flow for your website. To further enhance your website's design, click on the Wireframe tab. Here you can customize the wireframe by moving tabs, sections, and other elements to create a visually appealing and user-friendly layout for your site. Make sure to carefully finalize your work by reviewing all the changes you've made. Take the time to ensure that everything is in its proper place and meets your website's objectives. Once you're satisfied with the result, it's time to export your website. Click on the Export button, located either within the Sitemap or Wireframe tabs, and Relume will generate your website in a format that can be easily deployed on a web server or shared with others for collaboration.